Let's talk about core strength. What is core strength? When you practice and train for any sport, you get better and better at using your body. The same thing happens with your brain. It's just like your muscles and bones. It works better and better the more you use it. The Core Strength Toolkit helps me to understand and talk about thinking. I can talk about thinking at home. I can talk about thinking at school. And I can get better and better at it. One day it might help me get a job. That's core strength.